Good morning friends, my name is Sharvil Limawan from the intern batch. Today we will learn about the technique of insulin administration, subcutaneous injection. Subcutaneous injection advantages. Advantages of subcutaneous injection, they can be self-administered. They have less local side effects. And the drug administered by the subcutaneous injections remains in for the longer duration. Drugs, for example, enoxaparin, heparin, low molecular weight heparin, insulin can be self-administered. Implants like Norplant can also be given subcutaneously. Technique: insulin can be given subcutaneously with the help of insulin syringe. These are the two insulin syringes. There are markings from 1 to 40. It is available in two types: 40 international units and 100 international units. Now, steps to take insulin from the vial and administer at the given site. Firstly, take the insulin syringe, remove off the cap, see for the needle, wipe off with the cotton. See for the insulin vial, remove the plastic top, wipe the needle with the cotton. Ensure there is no clumping or clotting inside waste. Now, take the amount of air equal to the amount of dose you need to administer. Push the air into the vial so that homogeneous mixture of the drug can be done. Rotate the vial upside down, pull the plunger and take the required dose. Remove off the needle gently. Take a cotton swab. Prepare the site of injection. Wipe it with the spirit or alcohol based solution. 3-finger breath below and lateral to the umbilicus. Pinch the fold of the skin between the thumb and index finger. Insert the insulin needle at 90 degrees. See for the third. Release of the pinch and administer the complete dose. Hold for 5 seconds. Then pull off the needle gently. Wipe off the area with a cotton swab. Discard the needle with this syringe. Now, in this module we will understand about the insulin pen. Insulin pen is a handy device, portable one, which can be carried with the patient along with when he is traveling. There is a dial in the insulin cap, insulin pen holder, which will allow the amount of the drug to be administered. Parts of insulin pen holder with the dial, injection port, insulin cartridge, insulin reservoir. Cartridge fixes in the insulin reservoir. Needle and the needle cap. Fix the insulin pen holder and the cartridge. Do the 3 swirling motions. Attach the needle and the needle cap. Remove the needle cap. Firstly, priming is to be done to check the cartridge is filled and to give a proper dosage. So 1 to 2 units of insulin is marked for the priming. Now, after priming, take the amount of the dose to be administered. Watch the dial. Normally, 40 to 100 international units of insulin is to be administered. If more amount of insulin is to be administered, multiple sites can be used. Now, firstly prepare the area, 3 finger breadth below and lateral, 3 finger breadth below and lateral to the umbilicus. Wipe it in the circular motion. Pinch the skin with the index and the thumb finger. Hold the insulin pen and insert the needle completely. Release of the pinch. C for the third. And then just inject it through the injection button. Hold for the 5 seconds and then move up. After the dose has been delivered, clear of the site of the insulin and the needle. Discard the insulin needle by attaching with needle holder. Remove the close the pen holder.